you're wondering about the durability of these Wrangler suitcases, we actually took about 9 different flights, and yes, back to back. And I wanted to show you there are a few scuffs on this. So this is not what it looked like when we first got it. We've got some scuffs here on the corners. These are both of the bags that we checked, and then there are 2 other bags over here that were carry-ons for us. You can see there are some nicks here, but honestly, it's looking really good. There are a few scuffs on the corners mainly. That was actually a cat hair, but overall, it's looking really good. The wheels are also still great, still rolls in omni-direction, and these zippers have held up really well. My wife loves to pack a lot for vacation, which is totally fine, but we had to have a suitcase with a good solid zipper and a little bit of expansion. So you can see here that it actually has a little bit of room for give. So if you've got an overloaded suitcase, it expands, and the zipper is definitely durable. This is one of the larger marks. Actually, that's just a string. Then I see another mark here by the handle. Overall, a lot of suitcases I've seen, they get really banged up after several flights, but you know, if this is the extent of the damage to this one, then I think these are actually very durable suitcases. Again, this wasn't just one flight. This survived 9 different flights. And you know how rough they are with luggage and everything at the airport. So here's the other one here, the dark green. I do think the scuffs are a bit more visible. They look worse on camera than they do in person, but basically I bet you could honestly buff that out and clean it up a little bit if you wanted to, but the damage is very minimal. And this worked for us for our 20-day trip. So this was plenty big enough for us to fit our clothes for my wife and myself. We each had our own pair of suitcases. I took the dark green one. She took the lighter one. They look really nice together depending on what colors you want, because there are other colors. And I think they honestly look great together. Here's the inside of the actual carry-on. So again, these fit in the overhead bins on the plane. And again, one for each of us. And it's kind of messy right now because obviously we just got back, but you can fit quite a bit just in the carry-on itself. Like this would last me probably a week just with the smaller carry-on bag. And it does have a whole separate section over here where I brought back clothes and I brought back some souvenirs as well. So I'm really happy with the amount of space. Honestly, I could have fit even more in there too if I wanted to. I'm really happy with the amount of space in both the carry-ons and the actual checked bags. These Wrangler suitcases worked really well for us on our vacation to the Philippines. It's not just a hype Wrangler product, in my opinion. It's actually made really, really well. So if you enjoy Wrangler products and you're traveling soon and you want something that's going to give you a lot of space and not scuff up, it's going to be super durable. These are great suitcases. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Happy traveling.